Hi, my name is Stella Metsavas, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite go-to recipes of all time because it's just so healthy and it keeps the fish. You can use any lean protein. I'm using salmon today. So nice and moist. So we're making salmon with parchment paper. Easy to make, put it in the oven, takes all the guesswork out because it's self-convex in steam. It's a culinary tradition in France, and I'm so happy to share this with you. So here is the final product, okay? So watch the whole video, you're gonna love it. We're gonna begin by taking 2 pieces of parchment paper. You're gonna cut a moon shape around both of them. I like to use the sheets, okay? So make sure if you're using the roll to equally distribute the length. You don't want a shorter one and you don't want a longer one. So you're going to take a half moon shape. You're going to open it up once you're done cutting into that half moon shape. And you're going to take your favorite piece of fish or whatever you like to bake in parchment with, lay it in the middle of one of the folds. I'm using baby zucchini today. I'm spicing with some fresh parsley, some herbes Provence, which is the culinary spice, if you will. It's kind of comparable to oregano for the Greeks. Herbes Provence is comparable to the French culinary tradition, especially the South. It's just a blend of all these wonderful herbs. I took tiny little lemon slices and put them on top just to get that nice citrus feel in there. Olive oil and a tiny bit of butter on top of the zucchini, the baby zucchini. You're gonna bake that at 350 for about 20 minutes. I'm serving this with a little bit of wild rice that you can find in my other recipe, how to stuff a chicken with wild rice. Go look for it. There's some fig in there, apricot, really good, pairs nice with this dish. If you really want to wow your guests, try this recipe at your next dinner party. Enjoy and keep healthy.